Welcome, guys. It's KOK Gift Baskets and more, bringing to you some more Mother's Day concepts. Guys, in front of you here, I have a plush bear. I have Bodycology, strawberry cheesecake, body wash, and body mist. I have the little butterfly blossom candle. You guys remember these when they went on clearance? I think they were 25 cents at Dollar Tree. I got 2 cases of them, and they are really coming in handy this Mother's Day. So if you got them, guys, go back and get them out of inventory and put them to use. Also have a hand sanitizer in here. I have a loofah, a mom tumbler, incredible facial mask, and my beautiful bear. I just got these bears recently, guys, from a Walmart. They were not on sale. I saw that beautiful pink, and I just fell in love with it. Y'all know we had the reds and the green ones, so now we on the pink ones. Spring color. So that one is really, really pretty. I used this bow container that I got from Hobby Lobby. So this one came out really, really nice, guys. Okay. And here's another. This box here came from Dollar General. And in this, I have a little rose bear. I have the Amber Glow bath bombs, the pink vanilla hand and body lotion, and I have some Amber Glow hand wipes. I also put in a beautiful candle that says blessed. Now it says grateful and blessed. That's the one I told you guys about from Walmart. I also put fairy lights on my bear. Let's turn my little fairy lights on. And I got the beautiful little cloche with the rose in it. I finally came across only 4 of those. I thank God I found those. I have a necklace around the top of the cloche. And that is it for this concept. Okay, guys, here is another one. I did use in a Dollar General box as well. Pretty much has all the same things the other one had. The candle is different. This candle says mom. The necklace is different in here, but everything else is pretty much the same. And this one I used the Cocoa Rose hand and body cream. And I also use the facial wipes and hand sanitizer. In this one I put a bath bomb. I used 2 of my little round bath bombs. And what I did was took them out of the box. Remember we had those PMS boxes with the 3 large bath bombs in them? I took those out. So I'm using mine out the box. And what I do is make a little label and it's put on it says bath bomb so they'll know what it is. Okay, guys, these are the slippers that came from Walmart after Mother's Day sale last year. And they have foot care items in here. There's a lotion and a foot soak. And so I decided to, on the top, just use one of these small trays. These little beaded trays come from Dollar Tree. And I've just put some, inexpensive items on it because I've been making a lot of high-end baskets. So it's time for me now to go to medium on down to small size. So in this one, I used the Today I Pray flip book. I have a candle in here that I got from Amazon. They came in a case of I think 24. I used the Cherry Blossom body lotion and body wash. Also have a loofah and a flower ink pen at the top. And what I did was use foam board to sit everything on because it's kind of top heavy at this point. And that stabilized it a lot. So I put the foam board for base. Then I put one of my foam roses down there as well. Okay, and this is the second one. So this one, I bought some ink pens a couple of years ago from Amazon. And this one in particular here says, Mom, you're my hero. So I put that in with this inspirational book and added vanilla sugar scent lotion and body wash. Have another candle here. And have a loofah in the back. Okay. Okay, guys, I've been working really hard on all these small concepts here. And these little tags I have, this is just my little information tag that has the contents and the price. So just disregard that if you see something sticking out, you're not sure what it is. It's one of my little information tags. Once I wrap it, I string these onto the gift, and customers can look at it and see the pricing without having to ask, what's the price on everything. I've always done that, and it works out well. Customers appreciate it. So I'm just going to pull some of these up. I did a lot of these yesterday. Some are a little bit different. Okay, so this is my finished version. You see I have my Happy Mother's Day tag, the information tag with the price and contents at the top. And this is what I have in the gift, two-sided gift. So in this one we have Passion Fruit Escape, the body scrub, body mist, have hand sanitizer, a candle. I also have that bear-shaped washcloth in there. On the back, I have the Faithful Reminders flip book and World's Greatest Mom ink pen. Okay, so this is how they're all going to look once I put them in a bag. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the items front and back, and I'm not going to describe them all because they're just simple little things that you probably have seen. This is a God is Good inspirational journal. So that may be something you may or may not have seen. Just added my little foam rose there. But if you have any questions, you feel free to comment, and I will get back to you to answer any questions you may have. Okay, so here's the little bear washcloth and beautiful candle. I was able to match that color really well. This is the cherry blossom. I got that purple back there as well. And this little purple ink pen says Forever Grateful for You. Okay. This one here, I had one coffee mug in my inventory. They don't really sell well, so I don't do too many of them. So this one says Home is Where Mom Is. They came from Dollar Tree. This little bear has a pillow that says Best Mom Ever. I think it came from Dollar General. And I put a mama necklace on him just to kind of beef him up a little bit. I have a candle in here, picture frame, and I printed off that Happy Mother's Day sign and put that into the frame. Okay, hand sanitizer in the back. Added a foam rose as well. Okay. And I was lucky to find these spa luxury sets the other day. And so I have the little bear on top of a candle. Then for this one in the back, I have the Cabana Kiwi hand mask. And there is hand sanitizer. Okay, so unless I see something different, I'm not going to go over all of these. So I think all of these are pretty much the same here. Okay, so we won't go through all those. I'll spare you the redundancy. Okay, guys, so I have some more of my Hobby Lobby boxes here. And this one I have the Flocked Bear And inside I have the Bath and Body Works Covered in Roses body spray and body lotion. I also have a hand sanitizer and a candle. So I'm going to add shred to this, of course. Anything you see that doesn't have shred will have shred. I just have to get to a good stopping point where I can go ahead and do a video and keep going. Y'all know how it is when you're designing. Okay, this one here has a little canvas print in the back that has a high heel sandal on it. I use the Amber Glow items, the lotion, bath bomb, facial wipes. I have the beautiful bear with the mama necklace. I forgot that there was the other one I just showed had a mama necklace on it too. The butterfly blossom candle, and 2 big bath bombs. Okay, so this is one of the Dollar General boxes. It says Let Your Dreams Bloom. And I say this would be good for one of the gardener baskets. I don't know if I'm going to get to those or not. We'll see. Okay, here's another red bear. And he has the mama necklace on too. And I have the Gingham Love body cream and body mist, hand sanitizer, and a peach sweet tea candle. These are 2 concepts that are done in some of the product boxes that we get from stores. And aim it down. So this one here, this is what the Amber Glow items came in. This beautiful box here, the little scalloped edges. So this one I put the best grandma ever little sign. I've had that for so many years from Dollar General. A box of prayer cards, a little bear with a rose. I have the Bodycology Sweet Love Mist and Body Cream. I have a Bible in here and some bath bombs. I'm still working on this one. I think there may be something else I want to put in it. I'm not sure. Just haven't gotten it just right just yet. All right, so this one here is another little product box that I got from Dollar Tree. So this one has the Pro Silk body wash. This smells absolutely wonderful, guys. This one and the blue one. I put in the mama necklace, butterfly blossom candle, the Amber Glow cream caramel body lotion, and the Amber Glow bath bombs. I also put some prayer cards in this one and a loofah spun. Okay. These are my last 2 I'm going to share with you guys today. All right. These are the lanterns that came from Dollar General. So I'll show one at a time. This one already has the lights on it. I'm going to put lights on the other one. But this is the 5 Deep Breaths body cream and body wash. Also the Red Rush perfume. That is so beautiful. I have a loofah in the back. I have everything taped down in this one. This one I'm going to string some lights on. I'm not really sure if I'm finished with it yet, but I also still have the 5 Deep Breaths. This one is the body cream and body scrub. Have a loofah, and I have the beautiful perfume. You see it looks like a cherry on top. And I have some prayer cards in here. Okay. I can't remember the name of that perfume. I put the box in the back room. So this is all I have, guys, for now. I will be coming back on when I have more concepts to share. Thank you guys for coming by to see what I had going on. I appreciate you so much. And I will see you in the next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.